Welcome to a Breath for Sleep practice brought to you by True Self Health. First, I want you to take a deep breath in, all the way in, deep, all the way, and let it go. Focusing on filling up to the fullest capacity of your lungs in, all the way, and let it go. Another full deep breath. Hold at the top, inhale. Another sip in, hold it, and let it go. Shift into gentle breathing, shifting your weight side to side, adjusting your body. Now we will enter a rhythmical breath, conscious connected breathing. No pause at the top, no pause at the bottom. Your focus is on inhaling all the way, exhaling right after. And we begin, deep breath in, and let it go. All the way in, and let it go. Rhythmical in, relaxed out. Deep breath in, and let it go. Connecting the inhale to the exhale. Filling the inhale, relaxing the body into the bed. In, let it go. All the way in, and let it go. Feel the rhythm of the breath moving through you, slowing your breath a little bit, slowing the heart rate, slowing the mind, relaxing the body. Let's go slower even with our breath deep, and let it go out. 5-second in, and out. In, and out. Slower in, and out. In, and out. Inhale, hold it deep. Another sip, holding. As you hold, feel the tension of your body, access the strength of your physical muscles tightening just ever so slightly. Exhale, relax all your muscles. Let it go. Slow, calm breath, gentle breathing, relaxed breathing, and into another layer of deep rhythmical breath all the way in deep, filling up and extending the exhale, a little bit longer exhale. Deep breath in all the way in, another sip. Long extending exhale. Deep breath in. And slower, longer exhale. In deep. Another sip. Slow, long exhale. Two more like this in, another sip, long extended exhale, in, another sip, long extended exhale, gentle breathing, relaxed breathing, making any tiny adjustments in the body, helping you sink even deeper into calm, relaxation. Slow, gentle breaths, but also full, deep breaths. And let this rhythm carry you into sleep.